And we are making our Thanksgiving turkey. We have a nice brine, and we're going to be injecting it, and today I'm telling you how to inject it. So we want to look at the meat of the turkey. So if we look at the meat of the turkey here, we see where the meat strands are heading, and we want to inject the turkey into those strands, not sideways, but straight on. And we're going to put it throughout the entire 2 breasts of this white meat breast trim turkey. And that is going to make it so nice and so juicy. It's going to keep that breast meat moist. And we're smoking this, my friends. So hit that subscribe button because I want you to see us smoking this. I am so excited about this today. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. But if you're making turkey at any time of year, it is great. If you're making it for Christmas, this is how we do it. And this is a buttery Cajun brine. We're going to be injecting our turkey breast with to make it nice and moist and make it perfect for our dinner. And we have injected our turkeys. We're putting them in the smoke vault, and we are going to be smoking these and having absolutely delicious brine injected white meat breasts for our Thanksgiving dinner. And my friends, this is perfect for Christmas. This is perfect for any time of year, anytime you're going to have a gathering, or you want those delicious turkey sandwiches. My friends, we are smoking turkey breasts. And I just have to show you, we have done a lot of wood cutting. We are ready for the winter and ready for those fire pit gatherings as we eat some scrumptious food. Our happy place today, my friends, is just over 20 degrees. Brrr! We have cooked many a great meal in our smoke vault. And it does lock in the flavor, especially when you do all the brines, all the injections that we do for our meats. So my friends, hit that subscribe button because every holiday, every family gathering, we're going to have another video about smoking our meats. The thermometer we use is Tenergy, and we're going to be putting them into the breast meat and then just one out so we know the temperature of the vault as well as the temperature of the meat. We have placed our thermometers close to the bone but not touching the bone in the thickest part of the meat. For our wood chips, my friends, we have a combination of apple, white oak, and hickory. And we're going to be lighting that right now. If you have a draft, it is nice to have the aluminum around to help monitor your temperatures as you smoke. We use the aluminum to help block the wind if we're on a smoky day. We use the aluminum foil on a windy day to help limit the wind that comes to try and cool off our smoke vault. The outside ambient temperature is 32 degrees and our inside breast temperature is starting out at 43 as we start to smoke. Our turkey breasts are going to smoke until they have an internal temperature of 155. Then we're going to turn off the smoker, take them out, tent them immediately, and once they hit 165 degrees, they are done and ready to eat. We're going to look for a smoker temperature of about a 275 degrees in our smoker to slowly smoke these turkey breasts today. The Tenergy temperature is connected by Bluetooth to your phone, so you can monitor it, and if temperatures change, go out of the area that you have set, it'll beep an alarm that you need to come back out and check our temperatures. The brine that we use is called a Bayou brine, Cajun-inspired brine mix. Now, we have been using Chef J's for years now, but we use this mixed with apple cider or even peach cider to brine our turkeys, our turkey breasts in before we cook them. And we've had them brining now for about 36 hours, I believe. And my friends, we are smoking. The smoke vault is smoking. And our temperatures are getting up to 266 inside, and our birds are starting to raise ever so slightly.
Good.
Lemon meringue. Oh, yes. Look how big and beautiful that lemon meringue is on a full 9-inch pie dish on top of a cookie sheet. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And my friends, we're going back into the smoke vault. It has been many hours, and look at that beautiful bird. My friends, our 2 turkey breasts are completely done. Our smoke has been infused to both of them. We're up around 155, 160. We're going to take them out, tent them, and they are going to raise another 5 to 10 degrees easily before we set into them. And it'll rest for about an hour before we cut it. So those juices that we have infused into the meat are going to keep it beautifully moist.
My issue is
All right, smoked and ready. Now we take them into the house. We're going to tent them with aluminum foil, and they'll continue to raise internally. And our turkey is out of our deep fryer, and it is looking so yum.